The Connecticut Center for Applied Separations Technologies, or CCAST, helps identify opportunities to implement membrane technology in various industrial and manufacturing processes in order to lower energy use, reduce carbon footprint, limit waste, and prevent adverse environmental and health impacts. Clients come to CCAST seeking energy-efficient and cost-effective membrane separation solutions. Services include independent validation and testing of membranes, identifying the best membrane to satisfy a specific separations need, or the development of a customized membrane solution. CCAST can also design and build bespoke membrane testing equipment for any membrane separation process. CCAST supports testing in key membrane technology applications areas, including gas separations, ion exchange applications, including membrane testing and development for fuel cells, electrolyzers, and electrodialysis, solvent dehydration and recovery, and organic solvent reverse osmosis and nanofiltration. Water treatment and desalination is a core capability of CCAST. The lab offers state-of-the-art testing equipment to screen different membranes for a variety of water treatment needs. From removing contaminants like PFAS, heavy metals, or other toxins, to testing desalination or water softening at a full scale, CCAST can support research and development from the bench to pilot scale. CCAST also offers a patented membrane additive manufacturing technology that enables the development of customized membrane solutions for liquid and gas separation. At a small or larger scale, CCAST can make membranes and prototype modules that its clients can test in their industrial applications. CCAST has the in-house expertise to design and test customized membranes, whether you're exploring newly identified separations opportunities or seeking optimization for existing separations applications with state-of-the-art membrane materials. The CCAST team welcomes collaborations with industry and research organizations seeking low-cost and sustainable separation solutions for any industrial need.
The Connecticut Center for Applied Separations Technologies is one of the most advanced membrane separation laboratories in the United States. With over 2,500 square feet of dedicated laboratory space, operated by a dozen researchers, our team provides contract research services related to implementing energy-efficient and cost-effective membrane separation solutions. We tackle challenges in gas separations, water treatment, and electromembrane processes, from independent technology validation and testing to customized membrane development. We offer comprehensive services tailored to your specific needs. Contact us today and find out how membranes can help create a more sustainable world.